In this lesson, we are going to find trigonometric ratios of some standard angles. By standard angles, we mean 30 degrees, 45 degrees or 60 degrees. If it is named in radians, it will be pi over 6, pi over 4 and pi over 3. We are going to find sine, cos and tan of these three angles now. Let's consider an equilateral triangle now. By equilateral triangle, we mean that each angle is 60 degrees. And all the three sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. Let's say that each side of this triangle has 1 unit as its length. So it is 1 unit here and it is 1 unit here. I'm going to construct an altitude for this triangle. So it's done like this. This is known as an altitude because this is 90 degrees. This line cuts this angle into two equal parts and therefore this will be 30 degrees. This line also cut this base into two equal parts. Therefore each part is half unit. Now we have a triangle which is right angle triangle, and it has one angle as 90 degrees and the other two angles as 30 degrees and 60 degrees. So we have a 90 degree here and we have a 60 degree here, and this angle is 30 degrees. And regarding the sides, this is 1 unit and this is half a unit. So if this is 1 unit and this is half a unit, then we can find what this is using the Pythagoras theorem. So this is actually square root of 1 square minus half square. So this is square root of 1 minus 1 over 4, which is square root of 3 over 4. I can simplify this and write it as square root of 3 over 2. Therefore, this side is square root of 3 over 2. I can find now what is sine, cos and tan of 60 degrees and sine, cos and tan of 30 degrees. So what is sine 60 degrees now? Sine 60 degrees will be opposite side over hypotenuse. The opposite side is root 3 over 2. Therefore sine 60 is root 3 over 2. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is adjacent over hypotenuse. Here the hypotenuse is 1 unit. Therefore it is adjacent side, which is half. What is tan 60? Tan 60 is opposite side over adjacent side, which is root 3 over 2 over 1 over 2, which is root 3. Therefore we have all the three trigonometric ratios for 60 degrees. Let's do it for 30 degrees. What is sine 30 with this triangle? Sine 30 is opposite side over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 1, therefore sine 30 is the opposite side, which is half. Cos 30 will be adjacent side, which is through root 3 over 2, and hence tan 30 will be sine over cos, which is 1 over root 3. Therefore these are the trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees. Let's move on to find what are the trigonometric ratios for 45 degrees. For that we need a right angled isosceles triangle. That means you have these two angles as 45 degrees and one angle as 90 degrees. So this is hypotenuse. Therefore I can make this as 1 and 1 unit each. If I have to find what is sine 45 degrees, which is nothing but opposite side over hypotenuse. So what is the hypotenuse if I have 1 and 1 here? Then this is square root of 1 square plus 1 square. Therefore opposite side of 45 degrees here is 1. We can take any of these angles. Both of them are going to be the same. So 1 over square root of 2. Cos 45 degrees is adjacent over hypotenuse. Whichever angle you take, the adjacent side is 1 unit and the hypotenuse is square root of 2. Therefore tan 45 will be sine over cos. This 1 over root 2 over 1 over root 2 will be 1. Therefore these are the values of the trigonometric ratios of 45 degrees. Let's make it as a table now. The trigonometric ratios of sine for 30 degrees was 1 over 2. For 45 degrees it is 1 over root 2, and for 60 degrees it is root 3 over 2. You can see that the cos will be interchanged. Cos 30 will be root 3 over 2. 45 is the same, and cos 60 will be the same as sin 30. Tan is division of sine over cos, therefore this is 1 over root 3 for tan 30. Tan 45 is 1 and tan 60 is root 3 over 1, which is root 3. So this is the table which gives you the trigonometric ratios of three standard angles.